Today we're talking about 9mm versus 10mm versus 357 Magnum and how you can carry them in the wilderness in the exact same way. So a week or two ago when I made the chest rig carry video, someone made a comment about putting a holster for a magazine on the inside here, like this. And I didn't do that in the past because the holster I was using in here, which is bigger than this, would sit in front of that and it would make it really bulky, and I didn't like the feel of that, so I always carried it up here. Thinking about it a little bit more, given the fact that we're going back to Alaska next year, I want to have a Glock 20. I just picked up a Glock 20 Gen 5, and I'm going to show you how to use the exact same holster for your Glock 20 and your Glock 19. Now the thing you got to keep in mind is there's a lot of holsters out there, and there are some that are specific to using the light for the holster retention, not the trigger guard. So in this case, Raven Concealment makes, and you can check this, there's no magazine in it. Nothing in the chamber, as you can see here, maybe, possibly. I can see nothing in there. Safe direction. So Raven Concealment makes a Surefire X300 holster. And I just put that in the same manner in which my other holster was. And you can see that now I have a little bit of room down here where this kind of fits in here. So when I pull this up, it doesn't go over the front of it. And it's the exact same kind of package as I had before. But now I have a magazine here I can pull out and use. So that's a positive. But how do you use the Glock 20 on this? You can see here, maybe you can't, nothing in the chamber, no magazine, safe direction, gun is safe. I'm not safe from the chair though. How are we going to do this? We're basically just going to put the light on the Glock 20 here and use the exact same holster. So that's it. Put it in there, exact same way, exact same package. Come down, on target. So it's based off of the light, so it's retaining it from the light. So that's it. Just using this holster instead of the other one allows me to use two different guns. Now, why do I have two different guns? Because when I'm here in Pennsylvania hiking around, black bear maybe, I'm alright with 9mm. Not really worried using hard cast bullets like Federal Solid Core or Underwood Black Cherry. So going to Alaska though, I want a Glock 20. I want more firepower, 15+1 of 10mm. So it's obviously a lot more powerful. So this is how I can get around using the exact same setup, and all I need to do is change the light over, put the gun in I'm using, and go. Now if I want to use a revolver, or if you want to use a revolver, you just simply take the holster out, put the revolver in, zip it up, and you're good to go. So really versatile, setting your chest rig up in my opinion with a light holster like the Vanguard 3 from Raven. You don't want to need a light and not have it on there. You know, just keep it on here, pull it out, use it if need be. That's the way I like to roll. I don't like to have to think about things too much. If it's on there, I can use it. I don't have to think about, oh, where's the light now? Because it's dusk or it's dawn and something's going whatever in the night. I have it on there already. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. If you have a different setup or how you do it, put it down below how you set up your chest rig for carry. Until next time, later.